How much does an ISO certification actually cost? Well, let's assume you have a small business. For example, a security company or an IT service provider, maybe a construction company, a cleaning enterprise, or an advertising agency that builds websites. 3 factors are important. Number 1, which ISO certifications do you need and how many? There are companies who just need an ISO 9001 certification for quality management. Others are in need for ISO 14001 environmental management, and others are working with sensitive information and data. They might need an ISO 27001 certification. Of course, if you just need 1 certification, it's much cheaper than if you need 3 certifications. Number 2, how well prepared is your documentation? ISO certifications require some kind of documentation. Some companies have already perfect documented management systems, others are just starting. So, for example, if you have a well-documented system, you might need less training and less consultancy, so it's cheaper. Number 3, how well are you aware of the standards? Well, ISO certifications require some kind of knowledge about the standards. For example, in ISO 9001, of course, you need to know what is customer satisfaction. In ISO 14001, you of course might need to know what are binding obligations, and with ISO 27001 information safety, you need knowledge about IT safety and security. So, for example, if you just have basic knowledge, you're much more in need of preparation and training than if you already have a profound knowledge. Let's assume you are aiming to get an ISO 9001 certification. You have a quality management system and you want to get certified. Well, this costs you between 1,500 euros and 4,500 euros in the first year. But why this difference? Well, there are consultants and training institutes that charge a lot of money. And there is our approach. The approach of the Digital Institute for Certification of International Standards. We just charge you a flat rate. Everything's included. Training, consulting, our AI tool to build and to improve your documentation, and the certification. We have a free calculator for you so that you can really compare the costs of an ISO certification. And even more, you can use our certification tool and you can test our certification process free for the next 30 days.